So, good day everyone. My name is Micaela Jane Batak, and I am here to report about Lesson 19, Laws and Policies on Violence and Discrimination of the Members of LGBTQ. So, lesson objectives. 1. Determine the various Philippine laws and policies for protection and rights of members of LGBTQ. 2. Identify the different anti-discrimination law and policies. 3. Know the acts leading violations of these law and policies. Introduction. The legal foundation for protecting LGBTQ+ rights in the Philippines, rooted in the 1987 Constitution. It emphasizes the Constitution commitment to equal protection due process, stating that the state values the dignity of every human person and guarantees full respect for human rights. Furthermore, Constitution ensures that no one shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process, nor be denied equal protection under the law as stated in Article 3, Section 1. This guarantees on equality, lawful process, human dignity, and respect for human rights serve as fundamental basis for safeguarding the rights of LGBTQ+ individual in the country. So kani nga policies is for the LGBTQ+ nga mga peoples, and kani sila is muni ang ga-protect sa ila para nga dili sila ma-discriminate og i-treat gyapon sa ubang tao nga as a normal human being, and if ever nga nay magkuan sa ilahay, pwede nila siguro mapapriso ganun. Okay, so there are two definition outlines key legal principles that protect fairness and equality. One is equal protection, means people in similar situation must be treated the same in terms of both rights they receive and duties they must follow, so no group is unfairly favored or discriminated against. So kani siya is kaning protection sa mga tao, og i-treated sila nga the same, o walay grupo nga ma-treat sila og unfair. So next is due process, ensures